Donald Trump winning the presidential election caused varied reactions within the sports world. A few shared their excitement about the result. Danica Patrick tweeted, "I look forward to real Donald Trump make America great again. Don't we all want America to be great?" Some shared messages of positivity. Mark Cuban added, "We all need to give President-elect Trump a chance." Evan Turner noted, "No matter who the president is, we all still have the choice every day to be positive, respectful, and to spread love to one another." LeBron James, who joined Hillary Clinton on the campaign trail, shared a lengthy Instagram post and added, "Don't lose a bit of faith." Meanwhile, others expressed disappointment. J.R. Smith tweeted a picture of his daughter with part of the caption reading, "How do I even feel confident sending her on playdates, knowing the kid's family voted for the racist, sexist person?" Joel Embiid had a sense of humor about things, writing, "Well, America is tanking. All we can do is trust the process."